Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about TikTok and I will like to show you the way how you can add your own music into the application. You just need to open the TikTok application and please take a look on this button feature that will play 5 section. So you just need to go click this plus button right away. Now you will have an access into the TikTok camera and then you just need to create the content that you want to have. Or if you want to have your own song, you just need to directly go click this add sound and go click the share button. And then they will be able to discover more sounds. Just go click it, and here you already have a lot of access to find the musics. But if you want to have your own sound, go click to your sounds, and then you just need to go click import local sound, or you can also import sound from the video. I would like to do this instead. I would like to add the video that I have on my gallery, and you already got the song imported here. Just go click it. We're done. So now you can just take the video or photo, and then you will get this type of songs into the whole video that you take. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy, and let's meet again into other tutorial.